Hello everyone, I thought I'd do a quick video just to give you a bit more information about the workshop that Kevin and I have put together regarding wealth dynamics, called How to Use Wealth Dynamics in Your Business and Everyday Life. So you've got a bit of an insight about what wealth dynamics is all about, having done your profile and had the debrief from me. So now we're going to give you even more information and knowledge and tools to you in using this, because it certainly has helped Kevin and I grow our business and understand not only our business but ourselves more as well. So during the day, we're going to learn about building on your wealth dynamics profile, using the strengths and working together as a team. It's also about collaboration, using other people's expertise and working together. And finally, about using wealth dynamics to grow your business, using tools to know that will help you focus to sustain and maintain your growth in your business, making sure that you're going to get a really fantastic business. So look forward to seeing you there. Can't wait. Thank you. Bye.